Good morning. It's almost 8 a.m. I have to leave around 8:30 to office. Your girl is an office girly, by the way. I'm drinking my chocolate banana oats peanut butter smoothie, and I've not planned the day. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I'm quite excited. I am just going to put an intention that today is gonna be the best day, and I'm gonna do my best work at office, like best editing and all of that. And I'm just ready for the unexpected good things. Put that, okay? Good things. Unexpected good things. Let me just start with truthful things. I was feeling कि मैं vlog क्या करूँ, right? क्योंकि सेम चीज़ कर रही हूँ, a day in my life, and I want to do a sit down video too, पर उसके लिए फिल्मिंग के लिए अभी तक टाइम नहीं मिला है. मुझे थोड़ा से अजीब सा लग रहा था कि यार let me do this thing again and again and again, क्योंकि it's fine, like my day is not gonna be 24/7 same. It's just the style of the vlogging, and let me just stick to one thing. Like I am a person who just needs constant changes कि मुझे कुछ नया करना है, मुझे कुछ नया करना है, and which is nice, which is amazing, but I also have to stick to like the same thing, at least do it again and again till I see results. क्योंकि if you have seen my social media journey, it's like I'm doing traveling once, I'm doing lifestyle vlogs once, I'm doing motivational things once. मतलब there's no constant thing going on, and I really want to just try to be constant. I'm gonna keep seeing day in my life quite a lot of times, which is fine because it's gonna be entertaining, it's gonna be different, and even if it's the same thing, it still feels like comfort, okay? Let me just drink my smoothie. I should have added milk. Oh wow, the sun is out. Not the best, but it's fine. The bounce. Somebody was asking me how to manifest, and I'm gonna journaling. About journaling. Somebody was asking me about journaling, and I have multiple ways of journaling. I have made reels about it. So in the morning I do gratitude journaling. In the office I'm gonna show you what we do in the office, like what type of journaling we do. It's also about gratitude, but it's also about rewiring. And at night too I do journaling before sleeping, but that's kind of a different way. In this journal I have no rules, absolutely no rules. It's about manifestation, gratefulness, and everything that's in my mind, and I just dump it all in here. But I also put good things only in this because I've made this as my gratitude journal, and what I write in this comes true. So I very mindfully write only good things in this. I'm so sorry, it's so hot. Then you might be like, तो mind dump कहाँ पे करते हो negative things का? I have a journal for that too. मतलब मेरे पास बहुत सारे journals हैं, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Like I'm gonna put a template here, and that's how I'm gonna do it, and you can do it with me too. Don't think about it a lot कि मैं लिखूँगी तो पूरा हो जाएगा, नहीं हुआ तो I'm gonna stop. इतना मत सोचो, just let it go, let it be free flowing, and you also don't enter. You also try not to be over obsessed with it. It's a normal thing. Make it a part of your daily life. जैसे खाना खाते हो जर्नलिंग होती है, इतना नहीं सोचते हो खाने के बारे में. I mean खाने में क्या खाना है वो अलग बात है, but खाना होता है, right? Like you know कि if you eat it you're gonna get energy, and फिर से खाना पड़ता है, फिर से energy आती है. Same. Daily part of your life. Don't think about it much. Just do it. Yesterday I'm making yes Today, not yesterday.
A day in the life of Sanika. You should start the series.
It is a series. A day in my life.
Well, that is too generic now.
A day in my life.
You can like, day in my life. A day in the life of Sanika.
But like, how will people know?
That
Why
is
would
how you
anybody?
create- That is how you create your personal brand.
But you need something general, also generic, before you start creating.
What I know about influencing or whatever over social media is that you humanize the content.
Womanize.
Humanize it.
Oh, I'm not.
Are you having a stroke?
No.
Did you sleep?
I did. I slept very well. Thank you. मस्त 10 वाजता झोपले 6 वाजता उठले आणि मी I planned yesterday that I'll go for a walk university मध्ये. I'll start my healthy journey. त्याचं मग नाही यार थोडंसं झोपते आणि अचानक 7:30 झालं.
The first time I shut my eyes, they were shut for 8 hours. The second time I shut my eyes.
I'm gonna do office journaling now. So it basically has, I'll tell you what it has 3 things you're grateful for, 3 things you want to change. You have to write, I believe today I will do. And then 4 things you're focusing on. And then at the end we have this statement that today I know in my heart that I am dash. So that's the template we follow. And this is taught by Namita ma'am and she takes journaling every single day in office. This template's credit goes to Reboss, not me, but I'm gonna do now. Chalo, bye. As we're heading down for lunch. Why are you scared?
Who are you talking to?
What do you mean? Even if I'm talking alone, why would you be scared? My
Vlogging
voice?
करते हैं?
Yes, sir. Do you want to do cameo? He's my boss.
What
And,
an introduction. And
So,
Sanika's vlogs know me very well.
why Peter? No, actually no. That's
Here I
Kushagra.
am again.
That's Mandar sir.
Our boss.
Yeah, our boss. And we are his Gen Z kids.
I babysit every day.
Yeah. You babysit Kushagra.
Yeah, sure.
I think आज editing नहीं होने वाला खत्म. I don't know why I thought I could complete it today, but it's not gonna happen. Vlogging. तुला यायचं माझ्या channel वरती hi बोलायला. That's Avinash. He's teaching me Adobe's editing, and he said in the morning, don't use and don't start with Adobe the complex editing ads. But मी आज start केलं. ठीक है यार, मजा आता खूप फकअप होत चाललंय, but ठीक आहे.
काय?
अरे मी माझं ब्लॉगिंग करते यूट्यूबसाठी. बढिया ठीक आहे कंटिन्यू करू शकतो. So basically I have to submit this trailer thing today and I should have used my own comfort software, which I did not, and I'm like no, today I'm gonna learn Adobe. I'm gonna do it, but Adobe is like kind of complicated, but it's fine. I don't have any option because I've spent the entire day cutting my clips on Adobe, and now I kind of have to use it because I can't transfer the data. आता मग ते खूप उलट पालट होईल. चलो, let's get to work. I am home. Update. I did not finish the editing. I had to tell Mandar sir कि it's not possible today. I genuinely thought I'll be done with the editing, but I had to literally watch 24 hours of footage and then select snippets of it, and it took entire day. Also, I want to say shout out to Adobe. I know I said it's complicated. It is kind of, but it did help me cut through the clips. For example, I use iMovie because it's easier and I don't need high quality editing. So I thought ki nahi yaar, it's fine. But again, if I use iMovie, I will have to import all my data into that software and it will crash because I don't think iMovie is capable of yet handling all of that. Plus, it's very difficult to cut through snippets of it. With Adobe, the format is different, the layout is different, sorry, and you can just upload the clip and just take snippets of it and then put it on your main timeline. It might sound complicated to people who don't edit, which is fine. That is why I'm telling you in a very easy manner. When it was time to actually edit and put it all together, it took me time. It took me time to understand ki chal kya raha hai. And I was like, okay, it's not gonna happen today. Chalo, we'll do it on Monday. It's fine. I'll just go and let my boss know. I don't want to like submit work which is not good. Not like a perfect outcome, but just like a good outcome and not essay heavy wala. Also, I vlogged it yesterday. Today is Saturday. I did not do anything the entire day and I'm quite happy about it. I really wanted to do nothing, relax and let myself be bored so that I can be more creative. Yes, that's a thing and that actually truly works. Let me grab a pen. It's full moon and I'm gonna be doing journaling today outside. I just got done journaling. Today was full moon, so I decided to do a little different. I'll give you an outline of how I did my journaling today. So I wrote what I'm grateful for. Since it is the full moon, I feel it's like a completion of a cycle. So what I'm letting go and what I'm grateful that this happened and this got completed. For example, I am letting doubts and fears. I want to genuinely let go of them and trust the process. Please write this in huge paragraphs if you want to. Make sure it is detailed so that you know what you want to let go of. And then I was writing the new energies I'm welcoming. Basically what you have and what you want to increase more. For example, trusting the process. I know I trust the process, but I truly want to trust the process more. And how does that happen? When you let go of doubts and fears. And after writing what new energies I want, what new things I want to achieve, and the goals I'm starting, I start writing affirmations in present tense. Make sure all the manifestation journaling you do, you write it in present tense. Also, before you go, let me just thank you. Thank you so much for actually watching my entire video. I'm seeing genuine growth on my channel and I am so grateful. There are so many new people who are watching and I just want to say I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful. Crazy that 1,000 people are actually subscribed and 1,000 people are actually watching my video. It's crazy. Like, and imagine if you're performing and 10 people are watching you. How do you feel? It's great, right? 1,000 people are watching me. It's beyond myself. Lakhs of views, millions of views. Kind of over it. I still like it. I'm not saying that I'm some saint. I don't like it. I like it. I have also changed my perspective to this, that even 1,000 people watching me, even one person watching me and actually liking the video is amazing. When you think in real life perspective कि यार एक इंसान ने देखा और एक इंसान को अच्छा लगा. So I'm just using that analogy and that is why I'm saying that it's amazing. Just want to say I'm grateful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next. Bye.